Hey guys, it's Karen Marchetti, and on this quilty tip we're working on perfecting your pearls. And I don't say pebbles because pebbles are more forgiving than pearls. So to get perfect pearls, it takes a little practice, and I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways I've found for practicing to get your pearls perfect. So this is a 1-inch graph paper. You can see it's from printgraphpaper.com. You can print any size you want, any style you want, so head there if you want to print it out and practice. But I use this to just get my pearls perfectly spaced and sized. And it really helps to practice on paper. It is muscle memory. So you see, I mean, I'm drawing on a digital whiteboard here, so there is some differences. Well, the more I talk, the worse it gets. But it does help you when you're drawing to get that perfect circle just by filling the graph paper. Okay? And the more you do this, like I said, it's muscle memory. Drawing does translate when you get to the machine. So if you're going to have to do a bunch of pearls the exact same size, you might want to practice first. And another tip, if you've ever taken a class with me, you've heard me say it. I don't hold my pencil like I'm writing a letter. That tells my brain we're writing cursive, and we are not. So I usually hold my pen upright when I'm practicing or doodling. Anything that I want to translate to a muscle memory, I hold my pencil upright. And it does make a difference. So as you can see, I am not perfect with my pearls. This is 1 inch. Okay, so I'm going to now switch to 1/2 inch. Same place, I just chose 1/2 inch size. So again, the same thing, just practicing your pearls. And amazingly, you can't tell by my drawing, but 1/2 inch is actually easier than 1 inch. It's an easier spot to fill. And of course, I'm stretching across my monitor, so it's not perfect. If I wanted to really practice this, I would print this out, put it in a clear sheet protector, and use dry erase marker. And that would give me a much more friction when I'm drawing. But it does help you to get that size, the size consistency, just by practicing. And you can practice them on a diagonal, however you want to. Get a little out of control there. So it's just a tool to help you practice your doodles. Some people say the lines mess them up. What I have found is you can use paper, dotted paper. This is from mathaids.com. Again, you can print out any size that you want. And I feel I do a little better when I take the lines away. I don't know why it is. The lines kind of constrict my brain somehow. But it does give you the same amount of practicing. So again, this is the 1 inch. And I draw them a little better when I'm not talking. Okay, so that's 1 inch dotted paper, and then of course I went ahead and printed out the 1/2 inch dotted paper, again from mathaids.com. There are many different places where you can print out digital graph papers. And again, I do much better when I take those lines away. It's just a tool to help you practice your pearls And I hate to say pearls because essentially they are pebbles, but with pebbles, you're not constricted to a grid. But by practicing up here, it will help these to improve as well. So I hope you give that a try. Visit either of those two websites and print out some grids and have fun. I'll see you next time.